Request
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of our dear Lord. Dear Father, as we contribute today, we feed us with your infinite wisdom and understanding as we deliberate things in the best interest of our cooperative. And as we go home, guide us safely towards our families. All of this we ask in Jesus Christ's name.
Thank you. Director Latapon. Please sit down. Madam Secretary, do we have a quorum?
Mr. Chairman, there are 7 members of the board present. There is a quorum.
Please read the agenda for this special meeting.
The agenda for today's special board meeting is about the termination of the CEO.
Okay, so we would like to hear from the report of the investigation committee. The chairperson is here. You may proceed now, Director Orsos.
Good morning, everyone. So there was an incident that happened at our cooperative last Friday. So I am giving now my formal investigation report on what had transpired on that day. So I will read it now. Last Friday, all co-personnel did not report for work. There was no notice whatsoever. This act resulted to the non-collection of our loans receivable, therefore losses to our cooperative. So this body was tasked to investigate on the incident, and as per investigation conducted on Monday, after giving those involved in the incident, after giving them the opportunity to be heard, it was found out that they, especially the manager, instigated that they should not report for work as a sign of protest to the board of directors because their request for a salary increase was denied by the board. After a thorough deliberation by this investigating body, and on the basis of the provisions of our policy manual and constitution and bylaws, this committee finds the CEO or our chief executive officer guilty as charged. Therefore, he is meted the penalty of dismissal from the service. Recommending approval, signed by the chairman and signed by the members of this committee.
Okay, thank you very much, Director Orsos. Any motion to adopt the report of the investigation committee?
Mr. Chairman, I move to adopt the report and for the approval to terminate the CEO.
There is a move to adopt the report and approval of the recommendation of the investigation committee. Any second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded by Director Suprimisana to adopt and approve. Any comment? None? Objection? None? The motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman, I move to lay on the table.
Please, Director Castellano, please. Ask for acknowledgement first.
Mr. Chairman, okay, I move to lay on the table the recommendation to adopt and approve the dismissal of our Chief Executive Officer.
There is a motion to lay down on the table the approved motion for the adoption and approval of for the dismissal or termination of our manager. Any second? I hear none. So the motion of Director Castellano is defeated. We'll proceed.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Director Latapon.
Mr. Chair, may I move to refer back to the Special Committee on Investigation, the report for further study.
There is a motion moved by Director Latapon to refer back to the investigation committee the report which they have already been reported.
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Mr. Chairman,
Has been moved and seconded. Yes,
I object to the
Director Luglo.
I object to the consideration of the question being presented to the table, Mr. Chair.
And for the privilege of, for the information of the board of directors, what is your objection?
Yeah, it has been substantially presented by the chairperson of the investigating committee that indeed the CEO, including the staff, has done damage and injury to the cooperative. Hence, Mr. Chair, I would like to object to the consideration of a question.
Okay, before we go to election, I would like to inform the body that after this, you are requested to have your comments after, so that we could thoroughly discuss whatever is in your mind. So who are in favor, or the many as in favor to the move of objection of our Director Luglo? Please raise your right hand. So there's only one. So we proceed, no, to the referring of reports to the committee.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Director.
I would like to make a manifestation in support to the objection of this presentation because lest I may be misunderstood by the members of the committee that I am dragging and I am reloading the decision of the board. Nonetheless, Mr. Chair, let me remind this board that as stated by the report of the chairperson of the investigating committee, there was a substantial evidence, there was a due process, all sides were heard, and I can find no reason, compelling reason, Mr. Chair, that this question be referred to the committee again, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Director noted. Yes, Director Padilla, you are raising.
Mr. Chairman, BUD Luglo has taken the floor for 20 minutes now. Therefore, I move to limit the debate for 2 minutes for the directors to expedite the discussion.
Okay, there's a motion moved by Director Padilla to limit the discussion to any second.
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
There is a second, seconded by Director Suprimisana. No comment, none. Objection, none. The motion is. Yes, Director Tapon, you are raising your hand.
Mr. Chair, I fully understand the contention of my good friend here, Bill Luglo, but we should take to account that we should exhaust all means to establish due process, because we're not talking here only the future of one person, but his family as well. And as we can observe sa report, the report of our chairman here of the Special Committee on Investigation, that there were no attachment whatsoever of any minutes of the deliberation of the committee, nor any affidavit of the CEO or the staff involved that they were given the right to be heard, which is a apparent violation of the very principle upon which due process stands, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, go ahead, Director.
I
just like to make my last
manifestation. Yeah, the statement of the good director Tapon has really given a substantial explanation as to why this recommendation be referred to the committee for further investigation. However, Mr. Chair, I would like to state for the record that we are wasting time. There has been so many processes of committee hearings. There was the investigation were conducted for almost 1 month, and it affects our operation, Mr. Chair. So Mr. Chair, I again would like to make this for the record, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Director Pon.
Mr. Chair, for us not to waste our time deliberating this matter, may I put this motion to vote so that we could find out if the body is amenable to adopt the motion set previously by Director Padilla.
Okay, there is a motion moved by Director Nagtapon for the election for the approval of proposed by moved by Director Padilla. Yes. Second. That's been seconded.
I second to the motion, Mr. Chair.
So that's been moved and seconded. So no comment. None. The motion is adopted. Okay, while take more of the proposed motion filed by moved by Director Padilla.
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Director.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. It has been ruled out.
The motion of the Director Lantapon has been seconded and was
Ruled out by the chair.
role that the motion has been approved. So there is no need, Mr. Chair, for quotation.
Mr. Chair, I move to adjourn to
Yes,
meet on the
Director Padilla, please be acknowledged first.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Director Padilla.
Mr. Chairman, I move to adjourn to meet on Saturday at 9 a.m. to further discuss the issue at Waterfront Hotel.
Okay, there is a motion to discuss the meeting next Saturday on Waterfront Hotel at
Mr.
what time?
Chairman, I second the motion.
9 a.m.
Mr. Chairman,
Okay, 9 a.m. It has been moved by Director Padilla. Any second to the motion of Director Padilla?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded by Director Supri Misana that we will be having our next meeting on this coming Saturday, Waterfront, 10 o'clock in the morning. Motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Director Castellano.
I move for the adjournment of our meeting.
There's a motion moved by Director Castellano for the adjournment of this meeting. In a second,
Mr. Chair, I second the motion.
it has been moved and seconded by Director Castellano and Director Lantapon for the adjournment. Any comment? Motion, comment, objection? None? This meeting is adjourned.